Ready to transform your phone into a non-stop cash volcano, spewing dollars 24/7? This absolute legend is demolishing the game with long-form English videos, hauling in a mind-exploding $100 to $200 every single day. And boom, his channel is 100% monetized. These are electrifying educational bombs locked into the education category where RPM launches to the moon, blasting you an insane $4 to $5 per 1,000 views. Last month, this titan smashed 1,178,000 views. Punch into Google, long-form educational videos, dollars per 1,000 views, kapow, $3 to $8 confirmed. Crunch his numbers at a conservative $4 RPM and $4,700 cash explosion in 1 month from one channel. So what's the nuclear secret? On the surface, breathtaking mountain stock footage, AI voiceovers that rip your soul out, and captions that grab you by the throat. But dig deeper. This warrior is forging videos from the genius mind of Carl Jung, the undisputed psychology god. He weaponizes Jung's life battles into marriage-saving missiles, delivered as heart-pounding psychological epics. Viewers don't watch, they live inside the story. Emotions ignited, pains healed, forcing them to smash replay. That's why views erupt like volcanoes, subscribers flood in, and he's stacking dollar mountains. Your turn is now. You'll dominate these videos from your phone. Every explosive detail on crafting these videos and click magnet thumbnails, you're conquering it all right here. New here? Nuke that subscribe button to skyrocket your knowledge and fuel my fire. Then, Detroit smash that like if this drops even one nuclear tip. Step 1. Unleash 15 viral video ideas and titles with ChatGPT. Snag my Battleforge prompt. Rock it to Google. Type ChatGPT. Slam that prompt in. Pulverize enter. Mega explosion. 15 electric titles and 15 video ideas detonate on screen. Each a million-view warhead loaded with Jung's mind-exploding wisdom. First one I'll scream. 3 things men feel but will never say until it's too late. Pure napalm. All 15 are weapons of mass engagement. Step 2. Forge a pro-grade, story-driven script that hooks like a black hole. Lock your idea. You need a colossal, elite script. I've sweated blood crafting prompt number 2 in the description. Rip it, thunder back to ChatGPT, paste it, replace X with your idea, annihilate, enter. 8-minute masterpiece script erupts. This isn't trash, it's storytelling dynamite, weaving Jung's quotes like lightning bolts. The hook alone will melt brains. Step 3. Summon a hypnotic AI voiceover that grips souls. Copy your script. Blast to freetts.openai.com. Unlimited credits for long videos. Right side, gender, male. Age, old for that gravelly wisdom. Country, USA or UK. Audition voices. These are 11 Labs level warriors. Pick one, paste script left, smash create speech. Epic voiceover downloads like thunder. Step 4. Harvest jaw-dropping visuals and soul-stirring music. Visual domination time. AI images plus stock footage equals unstoppable. Stock, Google Pixabay.com or Pexels.com. Click videos, search forest, waves, sunset, nature, landscape, emotional tsunamis. Download free. And for AI images, grab prompt number 3 from description. Paste under script in ChatGPT, hit enter, scene prompts explode. Copy first, Google. Picklumen.com, paste the prompt and choose 16:9, hit generate, stunning images materialize. All you need to do is download the masterpieces. For music, head to YouTube Studio, Audio Library, Mood equals sad plus calm. Download soul-crushing tracks. Step 5. Edit your video and craft a click magnet thumbnail that bleeds clicks. Editing Warzone. Use CapCut. Drop voiceover on timeline. Layer. 2 images, 2, stock video, 2, images, repeat to cover. Trim, zoom in for drama. Background music, lower volume. Effects, search noise, drag gritty filter across entire timeline. Cinematic apocalypse. Transitions between clips is mandatory. Now hit Captions, Auto Captions, and hit Generate. Style with free templates. Export max resolution. Now thumbnail nuclear strike. Google Carl Jung to Images, download portrait. Remove background to remove.bg. Upload, download PNG. Now head to canva.com to YouTube thumbnail, open editor, gradient background, free, set as BG, upload junk PNG, left side, add red shape. Copy title from ChatGPT, paste first half in shape, massive font, second half below. Download. Your thumbnail screams, click me or die. Upload, monetize, watch cash erupt. Your empire ignites.
Women that don't chase, and yet they're never forgotten. Not because they said something, not because they screamed, but because they vanished just as he was beginning to feel. There is a kind of woman who doesn't need to beg for a man's attention. She becomes the absence he can't stop noticing. Carl Jung once said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate." But he wasn't speaking only of philosophy. He was speaking of the moments when a man meets a woman who becomes his mirror and doesn't flinch. A woman who doesn't soothe his wounds, but reflects them. At first, he sees her through projection. The animal within him stirs, wrapping her image in fantasy, craving, innocence, and need. He doesn't know he's not loving her. He's loving the unloved parts of himself through her. And she, intuitive, soft, yet watchful, senses it. The way his eyes linger when she is quiet. The way he grows colder when she grows closer. The way he says, "You're too much," when what he means is, "You're awakening something I bury."